Well, hello YouTube. We have a 1968 CT90 frame. It's a Honda product. Basically, I'm not going to leave much stock on this bike. The idea back behind it is to make a faux trials bike out of this, and hopefully we can gain some suspension travel, upgrade the wiring, upgrade the motor, basically tweak most of the aspects of this fine machine and turn it into something that'll crawl over rocks and go real slow and have lots of fun. So this is the first complete restoration that I've done. I've taken other CT90s, two others that weren't running, and made them run. And this one, I'm going to go for broke. It's going to be basically from the ground up. As you can see, there isn't much on this bike right now. It's all in pieces. But probably the first order of operation here will be to strip it down and paint it up. Haven't quite considered all the paint scheme or whatever. I may just keep it a yellow just like it is right here, and other than that, cut everything else up and make this thing, like I said, a trials type bike. So if you will, join me for this journey. This is the first video of many. Thanks for watching.